MRSA, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, and MRCNS, methicillin-resistant coagulase-negative staphylococci, are emerging as major pathogens in human and animal health. Their emergence is of concern due to the increased occurrence of these pathogens in dairy products, particularly cow's milk. This study provides a comprehensive view of the situation of the occurrence of these pathogens and their evolution. All isolates were tested for the presence of the MICA gene, which is responsible for the resistance to methicillin. All isolates were also examined for antimicrobial susceptibility by disc diffusion method. In terms of the most frequent species, S. aureus was found the most frequently, followed by S. epidermitis, S. chromogens, and S. hemolyticus. However,
this article is titled Occurrence and Characteristics of Methicillin-Resistant Staphylococcus aureus and Methicillin-Resistant Coagulase-Negative Staphylococci in Raw Milk Manufacturing, and was authored by Marcela Vyletělová, Hana Vlková, and Ivan Manga.
We are www.article.tv. Check out the video description for links to this article.